Can you hear me now?
Compression waves in the air allow us to hear.
We call this sound.
Most kids don't learn about waves until they're in high school, but a knowledge of waves is critical to understanding how the world works.
Without waves, none of these would be possible. Communication devices depend on waves.
It's light! It's sound! It's science!
Sound and light are two forms of energy waves.
Both allow us to live and function on Earth.
Without light technology, we'd have to go back to working from dawn to dusk.
Without light waves, we wouldn't be able to see anything.
Welcome to Science City's newest exhibit, Every Which Wave.
The sidewalk will guide the guests through the exhibit while teaching the different wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum.
The interactive swing set and resonance garden will demonstrate resonance. When one rod vibrates, another rod of the same size will resonate at the same frequency.
Stomping on the pads will create waves on the screen. When the two opposing waves collide, guests will discover how waves add together and interfere.
This Aeolian harp is a central part of our exhibit. The tornado uses different sized metal tubes to capture the wind and produce sound.
The Rochester cloak lenses bend light to make it appear as if the object between them has disappeared. Visitors will step between the lenses and others will notice they've become invisible.
The radiometer uses light energy from the sun to spin.
Inside the Faraday cage, radio waves are unable to pass through, disabling all cell phone connection.
Did you know 2015 is the International Year of Light and Light Technology? As light passes through a prism, white light is refracted into a spectrum of colors.
The camera obscura shows the viewer the Kansas City skyline and demonstrates the science behind light and photography.
Every which wave will be outside because it captures the light from the sun and the wind's energy.
Its interactive attractions will engage visitors of all ages and interests.
Every Which Wave will use a Snapchat geofilter to publicize Science City. Come explore Every Which Wave!